In this video, I'm going to show you the ways that you can fix your TikTok videos stuck on processing. When you try to post a video and it gets stuck on processing, now this problem is a minor problem and it can be fixed using a couple of steps. Now I cannot tell you that this problem is going to be fixed using this specific option. You need to try out all of the solutions that I'm going to show you. Now the first thing that you can do is to check if your internet connection is stable. Whether you're using a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, make sure that it is working completely. After you check that first option, the second thing that you can do is check if TikTok is not facing any issue at the moment. If it is, then you cannot do anything about it and you need to wait out until TikTok itself resolves the problem. After you check the second thing also, the third thing that you can do is you can try to update the app of TikTok. So open up your Play Store or the App Store and search for TikTok. If there is an update, you can tap on update and try to update the app. Also, you can try to join the beta version of TikTok. Tap on this TikTok logo right here, and on the bottom right here you'll have an option of join beta version. You can try to download the beta version also and try to post your videos from there. Now another thing that you can do is you can simply tap and hold the app of TikTok and open up app info. From here you can clear the data of your TikTok. Tap on clear data, which should be displaying on this interface, and tap on clear all data. Now what this does is it's gonna log you out of your TikTok and you'll again need to type in your email address and your password and log into your account. Now after you completed doing these steps, you should be able to post your TikTok video without facing any issue. Now if you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today's video and I'll be back with more.